In this video, we will show you how to create a theme in Microsoft Teams. To create a theme in Microsoft Teams, first you need Microsoft account. And if you prefer using desktop application, you can download the themes. In here, I'm using desktop application, okay, not using web version of Microsoft Teams. So I can click the Microsoft Teams application. And as you can see, I already signed in here using my Microsoft account. If you not yet have a theme, the appearance will look like this. You can create a theme by clicking this button. Or you can join a theme with a code if you want to join the theme from others. Let's create theme. In here, you can select the theme type. For example, it's class, professional learning, staff, or others categories. I choose class here, for example, and this is your theme name. You can edit later in here. For example, I give the name WD and click next. In here, you can add the people like students, okay, for example, but you can click skip here. We can add later. To add people, you can just click this three dot button and add member. Okay, for example, let's add new one. Then click add. After that, we can close. You can also edit this theme, okay, like the name, grade level, or subject. For example, we can edit look like this. To delete the theme, you can just click this three dot button and delete theme. You can also access all of your themes here. Okay, in the activity, you can also find your themes. Also in the themes menu. And that's all tutorial how to create a theme in Microsoft Teams. Hope this video helpful for you.